we have melted 69 lipsticks together, and now in this container we have the final product, which took forever to mix. But before we can reveal it, we have to go through the whole process, the swatching, the cutting, the mixing, and ultimately the creation of a whole new lipstick. This is a good view of every lipstick that was used to create the final product. This is my whole collection, bar one, which is my Louboutin lipstick, but I'm not about to chop that because I've not even worn it yet. I just could not bring myself to do that. This is pretty much all my used lipsticks. I swatched every single lipstick for you guys so you can see the shades very clearly, and you can play along and try and predict the color of the lipstick, because let me tell you, what the color was is not what I expected. So there's a good view of every lipstick. I've tried to put in all the shade names and the color of the lipstick so you guys can see what colors I have. So many of these I've not used in years, and honestly I don't know why I still have them, but they came in used for this video. We're just probably going to speed past this entire section, and if you do like one of the colors, then you can just pause the video and hopefully you'll be able to see what the lipstick was and what the shade name is. So you can see every single color here swatched, all 69 shades. You can see I've got my nudes, my pinks, some darker shades, some reds. So next came the cutting stage, which at first I was terrified of. I was like, no, I can't cut my lipstick. What am I doing? This is madness. But then as I chopped them, I realized this is fun. I'm enjoying this. And then I happily mutilated all my lipsticks.
However, I will tell you that when it came to my favorite lipsticks, or like my more high-end lipsticks, that was really deep. That hurt. I would not recommend anyone does that. My MAC lipsticks and my YSL ones and all my favorite colors, I was like, no, I don't want to waste you. But I did it for the art. I did it for the video. You know, I did it for you guys. Okay, we've got some really good footage of cutting lipstick right here. Like, this is honestly really satisfying to watch, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I ultimately guessed that it was going to be probably like a maybe like a nudie pink kind of shade. That was my guess. Judging from all these shades. And now you can see all the lipstick that I've put on tissue paper. This was a really bad idea. I don't know why I thought I'd do this, because taking the lipstick off the tissue paper was a nightmare. I had lipstick all over my hand. I had to like scrape it. It was in my nails. Then I had to get it into this little black tub. And I kid you not, it was just the most messy situation of all time. And the next step was to melt it all. So I tried putting the tub in boiling water and I thought it would melt it, but clearly not, because it's still lumpy and bumpy and kind of gross. So in my next attempt, I microwaved it for 30-second intervals, and I think I did that about 3 times, so probably a minute and a half, and that's what melted the lipstick into a really nice smooth consistency, so I could mix all the colors and find out what would be the final color.
Microwave is the best option if you're gonna try this out. And what we created was just this gorgeous kind of dark raspberry shade. If you can see that, like, it's beautiful. It smells really waxy with a slight note of raspberry, which is really strange. I wouldn't say it smells pleasant, but it looks really nice. This is just not the color I expected at all. I honestly thought it would be more nudie because I have loads of nudes. I guess there were loads of pinks. I don't know. I just did not expect this shade, but I'm excited to put it on and see what the finish is like. It kind of looks satin to me. This is just a disclaimer. If you are planning to chop your lipsticks, prepare to be heartbroken, because honestly, it hurt. Whilst I was chopping them, I was like, what am I doing with my life? So that is my public disclaimer. Okay guys, so it's time to actually apply the lipstick. So I've done the rest of my makeup and I'm going to be using this Jessup brush. It's a lip brush and I've got nothing on my lips. I thought, let's just do this without any other lip products kind of ruining or influencing the results. I really want to see what the finish is like without anything else on my lips. So let's go in. I'm just gonna go in. It's really creamy, it feels really creamy. I honestly have enough to last me a year. I'm just gonna that's a pretty shade. Applying lipstick with a lip brush. And if you know me, you know I like to overline my lips, so. Okay, that's the applied lip color. I think it's actually really beautiful. And I don't have a shade like this. It's glossy. It feels comfortable on the lips, like it's not drying at all. I can smell it. It has a really waxy smell. I'm not a fan of that, so if I could change the way it smells, I would do that, but here we are. Now we're gonna see how it wears all day, and I'm gonna do mini check-ins. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm in my kitchen and I'm just about to have some orange juice. So this is my drinking test. Let's see if this lipstick will transfer, which I'm sure it will. Yeah. Ooh. Clear lip line there. I'm making stir fry. So we'll see how this lipstick holds up after I've ate. And yeah, I might go out in the snow, see if it's snow proof. Let me show you guys the snow. Actually, it's quite crazy. As you can see, like, because there was a storm, it kind of flew everywhere, but it's still snowing. I actually love the snow. I think I want to go out and build a snowman. Okay, so we're about 3 hours in and I just ate some food. I had some stir fry, which is actually really spicy. My nose will just not stop running. The lipstick seems to be holding up quite well. No, I don't even have like the butthole, so we good. Hi guys! I am in bed and I'm having some coffee. And yeah, lipstick check-in. Lipstick looks fine, like it's lasted all day and it's weightless. It's just like, it's the oddest feeling because usually when it feels weightless I don't actually have any lipstick on. I'm just in bed. I am actually watching Dina Tokyo. Let me show you. I'm obsessed with her. She's hilarious. And it's been about 6 hours. That's decent. Like, I've ate and I've drank and I've talked a lot and my lipstick is still intact. So yeah, I'm a fan. You know what? Let's see if it's kiss proof. Well, it's still on my lips, like the pigment's still there, but it's not kiss proof. Yo. Oh shit, I've got to get off. Okay guys, so it's been a successful lipstick wearing day. It's been 7 hours and I've ate, I've drank, I've talked, I've sang, I've done it all, and it has been a successful lipstick day. It's still on my lips, pigment is strong, and it feels really comfortable. So that being said, I did have to kind of murder 69 lipsticks in the process, but I've made one lipstick that's pretty and it's probably gonna last me for about 5 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be back with another video for you guys.